In this video, we are going to talk about all about Excel formulae. So first thing is how to write or start a formula. Suppose this is my number one, this is number two. I want to sum these two values. So the formula always start with equal to sign. So I'll use equal to sign. Then I have to enter the name of the formula. Suppose I want to sum, then pass these arguments. I want to sum these two numbers. And if I have to do the average, then type equal to average. And if I have to find the minimum, I type the minimum equal to minimum. So that means it is always equal to and then the function name and then the arguments. So okay, now let's talk about this thing. Why formula is not returning any value? Suppose if you see this thing here, it is taking the sum of these two values. Here also it is calculating. But why? What has happened to this place where it is not showing the values for this one and this one? So I'll type equal to sum, and I'm trying to sum these two values. Is it showing? No, it is not. Sorry, is equal to sum. Let this be the sum. It's not giving me any results. The reason why it is not showing because the cell where you want to display the results of the formula, it should be formatted as general. So right click that cell, go to format cells, and instead of text, it should be general. Click on OK. Now select the cell and go to the formula bar and press enter. Now the values will be shown of the return value from the formula will be shown because the format of this cell is general now. Sometimes uh, if the file is very large and there are so many formulas written in that file, sometimes we want to stop calculations. For that, what we do is we go to the formulas and go to calculation options. Here, when we make it as automatic, then the calculations will happen. The formula's value will be recalculated every time. And if we want to, that formula should not be calculated. It should only be calculated when the file is saved or means this has been turned to automatic. Then in order to stop this calculation from happening, we change this to manual. Then the options, then the values will not refresh, etc. They will only be refreshed when we save the file or when this is again changed to automatic. Next is find formula and values. Suppose this is my sheet, this is my number one, this is number two. These are some of the formulas I want to show where what are my formulas. What I can do is I can simply go to Windows Run, type osk.exe, which stands for on-screen keyboard. Focus the cursor on current sheet, then press Control plus tilde. Tilde is the button which is on the left hand side of one. So this now pressing Control plus tilde will show you the formulas, and pressing again Control plus tilde will bring it back to our original view. How to comment a formula? Suppose this is my formula and I don't want to show here a formula. What I can do is I can similarly go at the very start of the formula, type apostrophe. So then this will become formula. Another way is how to show formulas for documentation purpose. I want to show, I want to see what formulas are written over here. What I can do is I can simply use this formula text function. So I'll type is equal to formula text. then pass the arguments of the cell where the formula is there. It will give you that this is the formula which is being used. And if I drag it from top to the bottom, you will be seeing that formula. So that's all about formula. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative.